Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting TurnPike. Welcome to the Knitting TurnPike. My name is Gina Pike. I am so very happy that you're here today. Today we are doing another giveaway. It's kind of like the week of giveaways for me. It's not that often we have so many, but it just kind of fell in line with the Christmas and July fairies, and then something that my friend Bev of Dittmer Knittery is doing. So it's a lot of giveaways this week, but I'm sure you guys don't mind that, right? Today we are here to pick the winner of this gorgeous Noro Curian yarn. I have 6 skeins. Let me hold them all up. I just didn't have them ready. We're giving away these 6 skeins. And this is in support of my friend Bev of Dittmer Knittery, her project that she moved up the start date. It was going to start mid-July, but she moved the start date up to today, which is July the 5th. So go check out her channel. The first videos are up, and I've got to get these in the mail. I won't be able to mail these until Tuesday, July the 6th, because in the United States, post offices are closed today. But I'm going to pick a winner. Hopefully we can connect and I can get all your shipping information and get this out in the mail tomorrow so that you guys can have this. So we're going to pick a winner and start felting the bags. Okay, we're to the point where we're going to be picking the winner of the beautiful Noro Curian yarn. That's the video. Okay, we got the URL. We're going to filter duplicate users, but we do not have any comments. We're just grabbing all the comments on this video. 231. All right. Good luck, everybody. Let's pick a winner. Sean Sabo. Sean Sabo, congratulations. Says, love to participate. Heading to her channel now to check her out. Very nice and supportive of you. Sorry, I cannot read. Tammy. Okay, Tammy. Hi, Tammy. Thank you so much for your kind comment. Let's just double check and make sure, because one of the requirements was she subscribed to Bev, and that's Bev's icon, so I'm looking for that for Bev. All right. Picture of Bev. I can see. There she is. There's Bev of Dittmer Knittery. So, Tammy, you are the winner of the Noro Curian yarn. Congratulations, my friend. All right, you guys know that I am a little bit different. I do things differently, and I had such a great response to this giveaway, and Bev has a lot of interest in her project. And as I was reading all of the comments on the giveaway video, I really was moved to do a second giveaway with this. So I'm going to take, this is the yarn I was going to use. This was the Noro I had picked for my bag. It's 5 skeins of blue. It's a different colorway, same yarn, Curian worsted weight. I had 8 skeins. I'm going to give you 5 skeins of this, which I think will be enough to make the bag, knitted or crochet. I checked it, so it should be right. I just don't remember the numbers right here, and I don't have it in front of my face. So 5 skeins. We're going to pick a second winner from the list, and wish you guys all the best of luck. Now, since I've told you my secret that I'm going to pick a second winner, all right, we got that all set up. So all we have to do is pick another winner. So let's pick a winner of the yarn that I'm going to be using for my bag. Now your bag might look a little bit like mine, but if you don't mind, I'm willing to share my wool with you. So let's go ahead and pick another winner. And Sunshine 08181. Love those colors. I did join her channel and I hope I am not private, LOL. Okay, let's see what we got here. Well, that looks good. So, okay, I'm going to do what I did just a while ago. If you don't mind watching my fingers scroll, that's a lot easier for me to hold the camera and do this. There she is. Okay, Sunshine. You are the winner of the second. You are the winner of the second amount of yarn I'm going to be giving away. Congratulations to my 2 winners. I'm so happy for you. Please email me at knitbymoonbeams@gmail.com your shipping information. If you're outside of the US, please include your phone number for customs forms. And thank you guys so much for the wonderful participation in this giveaway. Please go check out Bev's classes on Dittmer Knittery. They're going to be awesome. They're starting today, July 5th, and going to be running to August 31st. And you will learn how to felt a bag using crochet or knitting. And I think that is so, it's a great opportunity. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for participating. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. If by chance this is the first video you are watching of me and you are new, we would love to have you join our family. Please check out some other videos. I do giveaways, but I mostly talk about knitting. I talk about a little bit about crochet, do some tutorials, do some yarn talks, and I've done a collaboration recently, still going on. That will be finishing that up in a few weeks, and July 23rd. So please check that out, and I would love to have you join. And for all of you who are here, who have been here, are my family, thank you so much. Hope you all have a lovely day, and we will see you all very soon. Take care.